All right, guys, good morning. Merry Christmas. When you guys see this, it's not gonna be Christmas, but today is Christmas. Robert and I got to the new house last night. We did, we did Christmas jammies last night. We opened our stockings and gifts to each other this morning. Just kind of hanging out. I made some keto snickerdoodle cookies and they were delicious. We had those last night. I'm gonna show you guys kind of like what I've done in the house and then we're gonna go out and see where Robert's at. Okay, so I painted all the walls and the cabinets and all of that. And then it came all the way out to here. And then I painted all of these walls. They used to be like, it's kind of hard to see, but they used to be like that tannish, like yellowy tan color. And now they're like a white gray. So we have all of this front room painted. It's looking so good. We got a fire in the fireplace. And this was our tiny itty bitty Christmas tree. And that's Robert, Crystal, and little Jack's stockings. Our tiny little Christmas tree. Jack, how you doing? How you doing? You good? All right, let's go see what Robert's up to. Here we go. He's doing a ton of work in the yard. Probably not gonna be able to hear a word I'm saying. He is knocking down all of this little stuff down here and just clearing everything out. He's done a ton of work just last night and this morning. And his parents are gonna come join us here in a moment. There, I'll show you guys a little bit of over here. So that right there is a massive burn pile that we might be burning today. It just really needs to be burned up. It's a bunch of trees and things like that. And Robert, this all over here used to look like all of this, and he's cleared all of that out. It looks so good. And we're gonna be clearing out so much more of this. It's not really like stuff that you wanna, sorry, hold on. It's not really a bunch of stuff that you wanna keep. It's just like shrubs and things that just have not been kept up on. So we're not really knocking down like any fresh trees that need to be growing or anything like that. We're just taking down the stuff that just is like hiding junk. There's some trash out here. There's like a car out here. There's just like a bunch of scrap metal and things like that. So we're just trying to clean everything up so we can throw out all the trash, get a burn pile going, and yeah, it's looking so good. I'm so excited about it. And this is the most special, like precious Christmas to me ever, to be in our new home. We slept on the floor on a mattress or like on a little like cushion, like foam cushion thing. But it was just really nice to be able to have it just Robert and I, and like doing our Christmas thing in our new home, and it's just like super precious to me. His parents and his brother are on their way here. It's about like 8:30 in the morning. We've already done the stockings and everything, had coffee, all of that, and we're gonna make a charcuterie board and have some pork butt here in a little bit. So we'll talk to you guys later.
All right, y'all, we've been bush hogging all day. Dad came with the tractor and his bush hog, which is a little bit bigger than my bush hog. So let's see what we got done here.
Size matters.
Let's go down the way we originally came down so you guys can see the difference. So we already got all this stuff in the front cleaned up. Dad pushed all this into a big burn pile, so after it rains we can burn all this. And all the stuff that was overgrown behind the barn on the side of the house that you couldn't even see is now all cut down. So extended our yard tremendously. All right, so all this stuff that was just too thick to get beyond is now opened up. So put like a deer feeder or something out here, some archery range. But you can see all the way down there now, which you definitely could not see before.
All of this was just brush, like all of it.
And then down here, it opens up even more. So now we got all of this opened up too. So I have like a little 3D bow archery range set up here, shooting range. Be able to put a deer stand out here and make a little track, start running laps and stuff. So it'll be good. All right, y'all. I look a mess right now, according to Crystal. I've been trying to clean up around this barn, get this ready so we can start refurbishing it, get it structurally sound again. There's this massive pile of just crap over here, and I've been moving all that to a pile behind us. We'll haul that off to the dump soon. But since we haven't shown you the barn yet, let's go ahead and walk in there and kind of show you what we're working with here. Look at that nail job there. It's good stuff.
Nothing's really solid in here.
Yeah, so as you can tell, this is just an absolute mess. This used to be like a schoolhouse way back in, who knows, the 1800s or something. But there's like this upstairs portion here with like this, you know, ladder up there. We can go up there and make a hayloft or something out of it. Not really sure, but we're gonna come in, we're gonna take all this trash out, clean everything up. There's there were 4 support columns similar to these here, but for whatever reason, they took them down.
Yeah, you can see like they cut that.
That was right here, and there's one that was right here.
Which is making the whole ceiling almost come in.
Yeah, it's sagging.
It's definitely sagging.
So we got to come in and jack that up, put a new beam there, so that it's at least structurally sound. And then I've got to go in and just patch up a bunch of, you know, roof tin that's missing. But I think eventually this could be a legitimate little, you know, feed. We have our like feed in here, like for chicken feed, pig feed, lamb feed. And then we can have like a little run where like we can fence it off and the pigs can come out here. Let me show you what we're talking about here. Make it a little more visual. But I do like all this rock on the foundation. So all this
yeah, that is cool.
rock is built up, which is a lot of character. I like that.
Wow. Jack's out there.
Jack got lost. Forgive us for the break there in the recording. But what I'm thinking is I can fence off like a hog wire fence down the length of the barn in this big rectangular fashion here to the end of that wood line, and then this could be like a fenced off spot just for the pigs and like the lambs, and then we're thinking about having a chicken coop on the other side of the house and then a garden over there. So we'll have the lambs or the pigs, we'll have the chickens, we'll have a garden. Eventually we may have a cow or two for beef. So it's coming along.
Did we
quite
show them
nicely.
all down there, like how we cleared it out and everything?
Yeah, we got footage of that the other day, but it's coming together quite nicely. This is kind of a strange Christmas. This title of this video is Christmas something. Haven't made the title yet, but we spent most of it working on the property. But let me tell you something. Nothing beats, I got sawdust in my eyes. Nothing beats coming here, having your own property to work on, putting forth energy, breaking a sweat, and like clearing land and like getting things just the way you want it. I'm super excited about having this as a home and super excited to take y'all along with the journey. Super windy right now. What do you think, Crystal? Merry Christmas to y'all, by the way.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas to y'all. Any final words from you?
Nope.
Just smile at the camera then. We love you. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. 2021's gonna be awesome, y'all.
Yep.